Our Exponential family wants to wish your family a very Merry Christmas. What a great time of the year to just focus on family, be present. There's no more powerful gift than the power of presence and the gift of time. Make sure you are self-reflecting as you close this year, thinking of the things you accomplished, the things you did not accomplish. Don't worry, you got a whole new year coming in front of you to do what you didn't do and then to take what you've done to the next level. Again, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's Christmas. And during the Christmas holiday, one of our favorite traditions to do is to bake together. So we usually gather up at my mom's house and we go and bake all of our favorite cookies. Mine's white chocolate cranberry. My brother loves oatmeal raisin, and the kids love, the traditional chocolate chip cookie. But we love baking cookies together. And then one of my most favorite traditions is just to cuddle up on the sofa, get a fire going, and to watch all of our favorite Christmas movies. National Lampoon's, The Grinch, Home Alone, all of our favorites. So I hope that you all have a Merry Christmas and you guys get to enjoy all of your traditions with the ones that you love. Happy holidays.
Hi, it's Delaney from Exponential Media. Just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and my favorite Christmas movie probably has to be The Polar Express, just because of the way that it makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside.
Merry Christmas, everyone. I don't know about you, but it's not Christmas for me until we've decorated the tree, we've put up all the nutcrackers, we have tons of them. We always watch White Christmas followed by The Grinch or The Santa Claus, and that's what makes it Christmas for me. I know it's different for everyone. I hope you get a happy holidays this year as well. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, y'all! I just wanted to say I hope you all are having a wonderful, happy holiday. And, well, my favorite Christmas movie isn't exactly a Christmas movie, but if I'm with my family every year, we all get together and watch, like, the 6-hour or maybe the 8-hour, Pride and Prejudice movie. And then with my sisters, we watch the Doctor Who Christmas special. Those things kind of definitely make the day feel like Christmas for me. But yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. I'm gonna be in the city, so I'm gonna cook a lot of Christmas breakfast for my friends. But yeah, happy holiday!
Hey guys, it's Brand Penyo. I'm the marketing director here at Exponential Media, and all I want for Christmas, all I'm asking Santa for is for the Dallas Cowboys to win the Super Bowl.
The day is finally here. It's Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays, and with that being said, one of my favorite Christmas movies would have to be Christmas Vacation, because my family and I watch it every Christmas Eve. I hope everyone has a safe and happy holiday.
Hello, Marta Finkelstein here. I guess my favorite Christmas present was my very first digital camera. I took a bunch of pictures of my family that day, and it was really lovely. Ever since then, I've been doing media, so yeah, the start of my life there. All right, everybody have a happy holiday. Bye.
Hello. My favorite Christmas movie this time of year would have to be a tie between National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation and Scrooged featuring Bill Murray. I want to wish everybody out there a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year, one and all.
Merry Christmas, everyone. One of my favorite holiday traditions that I do with my family is that we all take turns reading the night before Christmas, and then we make hot chocolate and we watch the movie Elf before we go to bed, and then in the morning we all open presents together, and it's really fun. So yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you have a happy holiday and an amazing new year.
My favorite all-time Christmas movie is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. You are not a human being if you don't love this movie. I also love the Cranberry Bliss Bar at Starbucks. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get some soon. And what I want for Christmas, it's just one thing, just one Bitcoin is all I want for Christmas.